I always buy Summit Nutrition products for my 88-years-old mother. But I changed to this product for first time to save money, but does not suit well. Reverting back to Summit Nutrition products. Works very well. Yes, really this product has a good impression on my wife's health. Nice product. So far looks good and genuine. Good original product. Very effective multivitamin. Click link in description for more reviews. Nature's Way Alive. Women's Ultra Potency. Nature's Way Alive. Women's Ultra Potency Complete Multivitamin. High Potency B Vitamins, Energy Metabolism, 60 tablets.